Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Creating a custom glowing mouse cursor involves using JavaScript to enhance the user experience on a webpage. Begin by designing a cursor style that fits your theme, typically using an image or a simple shape. In Cux, set the cursor property to none to hide the default cursor. Next, create a new element, often a div, that will represent your custom cursor. Style this element with X to give it a glowing effect, utilizing properties like box, shadow to achieve a luminous appearance. In JavaScript, you will need to track the mouse movement by adding an event listener for the mousemove event. Update the position of the custom cursor element based on the mouse coordinates to ensure it follows the user's pointer accurately. Finally, consider adding effects like scaling or color changes on hover to enhance interactivity. This combination of X for styling and JavaScript for functionality results in a visually appealing and interactive cursor.